Hey there, it's Shirley from WTI. And when it comes to taking care of my phone and keeping it looking good as well, let's talk about this cover. This RAPTIC Shield magnetic cover has been my salvation in terms of keeping my phone and also keeping it alive from falls. I have sweaty hands and I need a cover that when it falls, I don't have to worry about it breaking. And this cover, apart from being simple, is very nice to me. This cover guarantees me a secure and efficient wireless connection. So if I want, I can charge it wirelessly or with the cable that comes with my iPhone. My iPhone is literally the pillow where I sleep because I always carry it with me. I hardly ever let it go of, and since I'm a bit absent-minded, sometimes I forget that I have it and live in a place where it could fall. And with this cover, I can leave it anywhere. It comes in several colors, but I choose the black one because I'm a girl who loves black. And it becomes a very nice and a good accessory for my phone, and that's my point of view.